In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Windows Update errors on Windows 11. If you're experiencing issues with your Windows updates, it can be frustrating, but fortunately, there are some steps you can take to resolve these errors. We'll walk through each step together to ensure your system updates smoothly. Let's begin by running the Windows Update Troubleshooter, an excellent built-in tool that can help automatically diagnose and fix common issues related to Windows updates. First, you'll want to press the Windows key and the I key simultaneously to open up the Settings window. In the left-hand menu, navigate to System, then select Troubleshoot. From here, you'll want to click on Other Troubleshooters. Now look for Windows Update in the list and click on Run. This will initiate the troubleshooter, and you'll just need to follow the on-screen instructions. This tool is designed to check for and fix any problems that might be preventing Windows Update from working correctly. Once the troubleshooter has run its course, you may need to move on to the next step, which involves restarting the Windows Update services. This step is slightly more technical, but don't worry, I'll guide you through it. Begin by pressing the Windows key and the X key together, which will open a menu. From this menu, select Terminal, Admin. You may be prompted with the user account control message. Just click Yes to continue. In the terminal window, we'll need to stop some services that are essential for Windows Update. Carefully type out each of these commands, pressing Enter after each one. First, netstop wowserve, then netstop bits, followed by netstop crypt vc, and finally netstop msserver. These commands stop the services responsible for enabling updates. After stopping these services, we need to start them again. To do this, type the following commands, hitting Enter after each. netstart wowserve, then netstart bits, followed by netstart crypts vc, and finally netstart msserver. With these services restarted, the update process should be reset, potentially resolving the issue. Now for the changes to take full effect, it's a good idea to restart your PC. Close any open applications and save your work, then click on the Start menu, select Power, and choose Restart. This will apply any adjustments we've made. And there you have it. With these steps, you should be able to fix most Windows Update errors on Windows 11. If you're still encountering issues afterward, you might want to check with Microsoft support for more in-depth solutions. Thank you for watching, and be sure to subscribe for more helpful tutorials.